guess what? I got a package. Guess what just came in the mail. I'm gonna open it up with you guys. Hint, hint, hint. Ah! Alright, get that out. Oh yeah. So, make sure I got that early access. So I can get that Fenty hair. I really wish I had got a PR box. That would have been dope, but I gotta be more consistent with these reviews and be more known, or figure out how to get on the PR email list, of course. Oh, these were the free samples that came with the order. All right, so I got I don't remember what bundle it was, what the name of the bundle was called. There's a lot of paper for this box. This is what I got. This is what came in the box. I'm so excited. I'm gonna review these tomorrow, not tonight, because I gotta take my hair down and pre-poo it, and then I can review these. But I'm so excited. These joints are huge. I was reading the sizes, but I didn't really put it in perspective of how big they are. So this is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. I'm excited for this. I'm not gonna open it until tomorrow when I'm actually like going through the whole process. Let's see. Okay, this is a 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler. Let me take this out. Okay. Oh, it's like a this kind of bottle. Not plastic. Moisture Repair Shampoo. And Instant Damage and Repair Treatment. Ooh la la. And the packaging is so nice. Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and today I'm going to be reviewing Fenty hair. I got the Deep Moisture Repair Maintenance Crew bundle, which comes with 4 products. As you can see, it's a shampoo, conditioner, a treatment repair or a repair treatment, and then the leave-in heat protectant. All right, my hair is wet now. I'm gonna go on with the shampoo. This smells so good. Like, this doesn't even make no sense. Okay, I added more water. This is just the first lather, but my hair is really dirty, so I don't expect it to be like super sudsy or anything like that. But so far it feels really like hydrating. I'm gonna rinse this out and do a second lather and see if it makes a difference, or is this the most that it gets lathered up. All right, so this is the second lather, and it definitely lathers up way more. My hair was just really dirty. That's why I wasn't really lathering up that much. All right, shampoo is rinsed out, and my hair is a little stripped, but it's not like drastic. So it's just showing me that that shampoo really does its job with cleaning the hair. My scalp feels squeaky clean. I don't feel like there's any buildup still left on my scalp. I don't feel any irritation. I don't feel any like burning sensation, nothing like that. So it's definitely a nice gentle clean. Surprisingly, like even though my hair feels somewhat stripped, it also feels slightly moisturized as well. overall, I like the shampoo so far. Oh wait, do I like, hold on, guess let me close it back. Lift this off. Oh, this has a different scent. This smells like, not Johnson & Johnson. It smells like baby though. Like a baby. It just smells super fresh. All right, so let's go on ahead and it's nice and thick. Ah, I got a piece of hair in there. Yuck. No, this joint smells mad good. Oh my gosh. There's no reason why it smells like this. All right, I'm gonna part my hair into sections and put the conditioner in, and then detangle it. So I finished putting in the deep conditioner and detangling my hair. The container didn't say whether or not, like, how long you can have it sitting in, so I'm just gonna put it, keep it in for about 15-20 minutes, and with a cap, with my hot head cap, to let it sit for, yeah, I guess 15-20 minutes, and then rinse it out. This is my hair after I washed out the deep conditioner, and one thing, my hair is super soft and feels lightweight, and like you can see some definition. I mean, I kind of messed it up a little bit, but kind of messed up a little bit, like made it a little frizzy, but there's like still some kind of, you can still see some definition here. I really like that deep conditioner, and my hair, oh my gosh, it's just, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. So I want to go in with the instant damage repair treatment. The instructions on all of the containers are pictures, they're not words. So I'm assuming you add this in 3 to 5 minutes and you rinse it out. And it says don't condition after. So I'm guessing this is kind of like the last step. So I'm assuming I did this the right way. All right, so this is what it looks like. I can't really smell it right now. It's super light. I think that's what it is. It's just super light, and it I can't really tell if it smells similar to the shampoo or the conditioner. This has even better slip than the deep conditioner. I'm gonna rub this in and then let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes like it says, and then rinse it out. All right, so I rinsed out the treatment and my hair feels even softer now, like 10 times softer. And then like it shrunk up so much. Like it's super duper moisturized now. Like this is exactly what my hair needed, extra moisture. Wow, look at that. And it's so light and bouncy, like. But now that it's super moisturized, I'm kind of scared to blow dry it because I know it's gonna take forever to blow dry it. So the last product now is the 5-in-1 heat protectant, which is, I think, also doubles as a leave-in. Let me see. 5-in-1 leave-in for every style. Smooth, detangle, defrizz, hydrate. Plus 450 Fahrenheit heat protectant. All right. So I'm gonna smooth this over my hair and then blow dry it and see if it makes the process faster or it's still gonna take a very long time. Almost forgot, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I noticed with these products, a little goes a long way. So with using the Heat Protectant Styler and blow drying your hair after, there is a little like that filmy feeling, but hopefully once I finish blow drying everything and I add some oil, it doesn't feel like this anymore. But it definitely has like that film kind of cast on the hair. Did her line have an oil? I don't think it did. I don't remember seeing that, but I'm just gonna use like some oil that I have after I finish blow drying to see if it makes this film cast feeling go away. So the first product is the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. I really do like the shampoo. A little goes a long way, so like one pump is good. It actually lathers really well. It smells amazing. Like the smell of it, I can't get over the smell. It just smells so good. Like it's if you're a type of person that doesn't like fragrance, then this might not be for you, but if you don't mind the scent, it's very light floral. I think there's amber in there. She does list like the scents that are used within the products on her website. So you definitely want to review that, especially if you're a type of person that does not like fragrances with their hair care products. But my hair really does feel clean and not super stripped. A little moisturized, I can say. And then I did notice that there was definition in my hair after I shampooed, after I rinsed out the shampoo. All right, so the next product is the Rich One, the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Same thing, a little goes a long way. It does smell amazing too. I will say that what I've noticed that with the deep conditioner is that when you're putting it on your hair, and I thought it was, at first I thought it was like because the AC is on and like the air is blowing here in the bathroom, that it was making it dry quicker, so I had to like wet my hair and then apply it. But I realized that it's the conditioner that like it dries down on the hair and kind of turns it, so like what I've noticed is that it dries down on the hair and then kind of turns into a mass, so it kind of thickens in a way. So like as I was detangling my hair with a deep conditioner, it was starting to become thicker, which was interesting, but still a good thing because my hair felt super moisturized afterwards and soft and lightweight. All right, so the next product that I went in with was the treatment. The treatment now, she said to put in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. I definitely had it in for probably about 15 minutes. I kind of forgot that it was in my hair and I started doing something else and then was like, oh snap, I have to rinse this out. And then I noticed that like it kind of like dried in like leave-in conditioner, but once I put water to my hair and started rinsing out, then you can see like the product rinsing out. It's supposed to repair, reduce breakage, conditions for smoother, shinier, healthier looking styles. I will say a little goes a long way with this as well. My hair felt even more moisturized and I noticed more definition in my hair. Now the last product is the 5-in-1 Heat Protected Styler. Same thing, little goes a long way. You don't need a lot. So what I did was I parted my hair in 3 sections and then I just put like a quarter amount in my palm and then like spread it through each section. And that was too much. I'm thinking like maybe a dime size is all you need. It doesn't really specify how much. Let me double check, because maybe it does and I missed it. But no, it doesn't really specify how much you need, but you don't need a lot of it. Because I did notice that like as I was blowing my hair, it was starting to become a little smoky in the bathroom, which that just shows that you have a lot of product on your hair if it's starting to smoke while you're blow drying. So I would definitely say a little goes a long way, and it just felt like a regular leave-in conditioner. There was nothing really special about it. But I did notice that like my hair, like as I was blow drying it and as it's getting dry, there's like a light film or cast on my hair strands. So hopefully once I add like some hair oil to my hair, that feeling will go away. But for the most part, it didn't take me a really long time to blow dry my hair. So overall, I really did enjoy this wash day. I will definitely continue using these products for sure. I really enjoyed using this shampoo and deep conditioner. The Heat Protectant Styler, I don't know like when I would use it, because I usually keep my hair like blow dried or braided up for the most part. I might use it if I do plan on straightening my hair, but it's summertime now, so the likelihood of me having my hair straight is very slim. I guess it just depends on where I'm going or what I'm doing. And then the instant repair treatment, it feels like it's something that I should definitely use like every other wash day, because my hair does feel a little bit stronger than it was before. But for the most part, if you're interested in these products, I definitely say give them a try. So that is it for my review on Fenty hair care. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.